Hello students, today we'll go through a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, slide organization in PowerPoint. And your today's content is changing the slide layout, editing text object, moving and copying objects, and deleting text objects. We also can call in a simple term as editing text in PowerPoint. So let us begin. Now you can see here I have created one small presentation on generation of computers. So overall there are 7 slides and you can see all the miniature form of this slide in the left hand side, and you can see the main page of the slide here. Now first let us start with changing the slide layout. Frequently in all the videos that I have done before, I used to say you all about the slide layout because it is one of the important part of creating a presentation. So whenever we create a presentation or a project, the most important thing when we use a new slide is the layout of the slide, because slide layout refers to the way the things are arranged on the slide. How the text, how the pictures are arranged on the slide, it totally depend on the slide layout. Now how will you get the slide layout? See, under the home tab, here is the layout button. If you click on this layout button, you can see that there are different layouts that you can use, that can be used in your slide according to your need. So there's a title only. If you want, you can use the comparison. So here in this case, you can write the content at the top and you can write the difference between the two content here. If you want, you can also use the chart. You can insert the chart. You can also insert the icons. See, if you have a video clips, you can directly insert the video clips clicking on this icon. Online pictures, the picture from the devices, you can insert the table. So see, these are some of the benefits that you can directly get by clicking on this icon. Now next I just want to show you is editing text object. Means how will we edit the text or make changes in the text. Now see, suppose here generations of computers. Now if you want to change or if you want to edit or make some changes in the text, what you need to do is you have to click on this text. Now you see that once you click on the text, you can see a placeholder. Okay, we call this as a placeholder. Now you can click on any part of the text where you want to make changes. Suppose say I just want to remove generations and type something else. So I will click on this particular point, either in this side or either in this side. So from the keyboard, you can say simply press the backspace key if your cursor is on the right hand side, and suppose if your cursor is on the left hand side, you can press the delete key from the keyboard and you can type your new text. Suppose say timeline of computers. So in this way you can edit the text objects inside the placeholder. After that, once you make the changes, you have to go at the top, and we call this as a quick access toolbar, means those tools that can be quickly accessed. So click on the save button, your text get changed. Now next is moving object. Now see, moving object and copying objects are two different things. When suppose say when you are moving the object, means you are just removing that particular text from that position and shifting it to another position. Now if we say copying the object, it means you are just copying the, or you are just making the duplicate copy of that original text. Now first let us start with moving objects. Suppose say you may feel that this particular text should be removed from here, and it can be placed either at the top or below the next text. So what you can do is simply select the text to be removed. Now what I am doing is I am moving the object or moving the text. First you select it. After that, right click the mouse button and click on cut option. Or what you can also do is under the home tab, you can see the cut button here, paste button here. So either you can simply click on this cut button. Now once you click on this button, you will see that this particular text will get removed from this placeholder. So click on the cut button, you can see that it has been removed. Now wherever you want to place it, suppose say I want to place it below this text, so you can click at the last part of this text, simply press the enter key. Your cursor will move down. Now either right click the mouse button and click on paste option here, or what you can also do is simply go to the home tab and you can see the paste button here. Click on this paste button. Now you can see that the new text has arrived just below this particular text. Now we call this as moving the text. Why? Because I have removed it from this position. Similarly, you can also move the position of the text. Suppose say this particular picture I just want to place in this particular slide. So what you have to do is simply select this picture, click on the cut option, or you may also keep it here. So let me click on cut. See, it has been removed from here. Click on this slide, again click on the paste option. Now you can see that it has appeared and the image has been removed from slide number 2 and it has been shifted in slide number 1. So we call this as moving the object. Now next is copying object. Now let me go to slide number 3. So copying simply means just making a duplicate copy of this. Suppose say I just want to copy this text. So let me select this text first. After selecting the text, go to the copy option here. So click on copy. Once I click on copy, you see that it has not been removed from this position. It is already in this position. Now simply go and click at the point where you want to paste it and simply click on paste option. Now you can see that this is just the duplicate copy of this text where you can get both the text, one at the top and one at the below. So we call this as copying object. Now what I want to do is, see, let me select this picture now, image, go to the copy option. Now I want to make a copy of this in slide number 2, this slide. So go and click on this slide and now click on the paste button at the top, or what you may also do is right click the mouse button and simply click on paste option. See, the picture has appeared. Just drag it and move it down. Now what you can see is, see, the pictures are in both the slide. So this is the original picture and I have made the copy of this slide in, sorry, this image in slide number 2. So we call this as copying object. So by now I hope you have understood it, the difference between moving object and copying object. Now next come deleting text object. Now how will you delete the text from the placeholder? As I have already showed you before, just there in the timeline. So you can simply click on the text. Suppose say, let me go to this particular text. Now say, I just don't want this particular text, I want to remove it. I don't want to place it anywhere else, just I want to remove it. Simply click here and just press the delete key from here, or what you can also do is you can press the backspace key. See, it has been removed from here. So this is one way of deleting the text object. Suppose say if you want to delete the whole text, then in that case what you can do is just click anywhere inside the text. You can see a dotted border here on the placeholder. You just go in one of the area of this border and simply click the mouse button. After clicking the mouse button, you can see that this placeholder has been selected. So if you want to remove all the text after clicking or after selecting this border, simply click the delete button from the keyboard. Now you can see that your placeholder has been deleted. Now, so in this video, I have showed you actually what the slide layout is, how to get the slide layout, how to edit the text object. I also showed you what is the difference between moving object and copying object in PowerPoint, and finally how to delete the text or a placeholder. So I hope you have understood it. So kindly go through it, kindly go through the video and do practice it at home. So this is all in today's video, and in the next video we will come with say inserting clip art, inserting word art, inserting shapes in a PowerPoint presentation, just like that you have already done in the Microsoft Word. So thank you children. This is all in today's video.